Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are reviewing a brand new custom ROM. Now I'm saying brand new because this is Voltage OS but with Android 14, and in this video we will review everything like stability, camera, battery backup, customization and all that stuff. So if you are planning to flash Android 14 on your phone, then stick around till the end of the video. Now talking about the battery backup in this ROM shows around 17 hours and 12 minutes of battery backup, which is not true. I guess it does have 8 to 9 hours of battery backup, but not 17 hours of battery backup. And I'll say the idle train is rather poor. The deep sleep is fine, the deep sleep does work, but the idle train is just way too much. Like you can see here, 45 hours and 31 minutes. It's not really that good. As you can see, 1.8% per hour. So you can see that in 8 hours of sleep you can lose about 10 to 12%, even more than that, and it's not stable at all. So yeah, there's that. Now talking about the customization in this ROM doesn't have any customizations yet because this is Android 14, and Android 14 ROMs don't really have customization as of now. And they also ship with this Pixel launcher, which is the default launcher as of now. And all the customizations are here, like you can enable disable themed icons, and you can also change the material hue color. That's pretty much it right now, but in future updates obviously there will be more customizations added as Android 14 gets more prevalent, more common, more developers start working on it. It will get some updates and more customizations will be added. But if you don't really need customization, you can definitely try this ROM. Now talking about the camera application in this ROM comes with this LMC camera. I think it is LMC camera, yeah. So it is LMC 8.4. This is a fork of Google Pixel camera, and in my opinion it is much better than likes of aperture cameras or that old as Google camera, and it clicks some really good pictures. You can obviously change your modes here, like this is the macro mode, then this is the ultra wide mode. So all the lenses work pretty fine, even the front lens also works pretty fine. There are no issues with that. And let me show some pictures that I clicked recently. So these are some of the pictures that I clicked recently with this camera, and as you can see the text is pretty decent, not readable I'll say, but it's pretty decent. And the photo is, I think this was ultra wide. No, yeah, this was ultra wide actually. You can see that 72.7 megapixel. So it is a feature in the camera. You can explore the camera app. There are many features. This is one of them, that you can enhance the details in your photograph. So yeah, this is the ultra wide image, and this is the main lens image. Like I'll show you, the text is readable just fine. Yeah, like you can see even that far on the water tank the text is readable just fine. And this is a proper 108 megapixel photo, like you can see here. Although you do get unlimited storage, so you don't have to worry about backing up photos. You can take as many detailed shots as you want. There are no issues with that. And talking about the device certification, this device is certified by Google Play Store. So the banking apps work pretty fine. There are no issues with any of that. I've been using Google Pay and Phone Pay regularly, so I didn't face any issues while using banking apps. And I think you shouldn't face any issues either. And as I said, you can back up unlimited photos and videos, so you can click as much detailed photos and videos as you want, and you don't have to worry about the storage. and that's the good thing about this ROM. And obviously you also get Viper for Android. Now this is a hit or miss. Sometime it works, sometime you just have to go into settings and turn on turn off legacy mode. Like right now it's not initialized for some reason and it's not working right now, but if you enable it, then I think it will start working. Yeah, it's not processing right now. As soon as you play some audio, I think it should work. Let me try that. It's not processing. Yeah, now it's processing. As soon as you play some audio, you can check it by pressing here and it shows that it's processing. Then you can tweak the sound upon, then you can tweak the sound according to yourself. So I'll just pause it right now. So the Viper for Android is working pretty fine. Sometimes it's hit or miss. And I'll say other than that, the animations in Android 14 have gotten really smooth. Also talking about the performance in this ROM, I ran Antutu 3D benchmark and this ROM scored around 3,77,577, which is not highest by means. Even like Alpha Droid Android 13 scored higher, but I'll say scores don't always matter. Even the gaming performance in this ROM is very good. Like I don't play much of BGMI, but I played a bit of Asphalt 9 on highest settings and I didn't face a single stutter or jitter. I also want to show you one feature. Your screen is off, right? And you just double tap this power button and see how quickly the camera app opens. Like this is such an incredible feature which even the stock ROMs don't include in your phone right now. Like this is to to quickly capture a moment. This is such an incredible feature. Like you just double tap your power button and the camera app opens quickly. Obviously you can't access your gallery through here because you have to unlock your device, but I think this is an incredible feature. Like even if your screen is on and you double tap power button, not double tap, double press power button, the camera app quickly opens and you can just click a quick picture and you are good to go. You don't even have to unlock your device. It can be really useful in some dire situations or even when capturing a fast moment where you don't have time to unlock your phone and all that stuff. And honestly, I'm pleasantly surprised to see this feature here. And with that, I'll conclude this video. I'll say it is a definite green flag from me. If you don't have a problem with Viper for Android, you are ready to tweak around it and you can manage the idle drain by flashing some other custom kernel and stuff, then I'll say definitely try this ROM. This is one of the smoothest Android 14 ROMs right now because I didn't face a single random reboot, not even a single stutter while swiping through the menu and stuff. So yeah, it is a definite green flag from me. And on that note, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.